Yo, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. I boy Jambisco back in the music lab. Yo, gang, yo, that mafia. Today we have another banger reaction. Yeah man, you don't know the controversy. A lot of controversy been surrounding this beat and this artist. You see me? You don't know I'm talking about Brysco and Russian. Yeah man, a lot of people was speculating whether or not Russian was gonna give him the authorization. You see me if you drop the tune, but look like him get the authorization to go ahead. Yeah man, so we reacted to one and this is Brysco, the one named Gimmi Nikki and Thickaz. Look like him drop it two song them for when preview on IG because it's have two names. But I'll check it out and see what dog do. Hopefully it's a banger. You don't know gang. We don't waste no time. Let's get it.
Me a drop this.
Bitches make a keys, a cookie, ice cream.
Brysco. Authorize this feature. Me a drop this.
That audio. Oh shit! Russian in that video. How many blows on skirt? Come here.
Under the Sycamore street, stamp, clap the beat, clap, chest, clap the beat.
I'm drop this.
Easy, I nick it out.
YouTube or anybody come take it down and make a boy come lick.
So why is no man say you don't need authorization for drop that? You see me, I say when you drop that one, some boy come licking it. Look like you don't do it, Russian get.
I'm a face and I drop this. Me a drop this.
Bitch,
I wanna think Russian get scared or what?
me and you under the Sycamore tree, we are F-U-C-K-I-N-G. Bitches make a keys, a cookie, ice cream, you are S-U-C-K.
Yeah man, you the world boss, pure amateur world boss.
I-N-G. Miss Grippy, come here and grip me, please. Grip me, please. Stamp, clap the beat, clap, chest, clap the beat.
I ain't gonna lie, it's so much better than the preview that he gave on IG. I ain't gonna lie to you.
This uptown Philly. Say she want pop pill, get lady.
Yeah.
So she search the G like a Siri. Me say mama where your name? She a tell me say Nikki. Gimme Nikki, gimme.
Yeah man, Nikki, if I... Yeah man,
Gimme Nikki, gimme Nikki.
Yeah.
Gimme Nikki.
Go on Nikki, yeah.
Gimme. Bitches say we dey under the Sycamore tree. You a play with me cocky, me a play PUBG.
Yeah.
When I done make me boss, I
Yeah man, you play PUBG. Hey!
Puffy compete, make your bungs funny cocky and bungs funny beat.
Yeah.
Stamp, clap the beat, clap me and pull it out now. I'm broke by your teeth. Have you ever
Like Russian and Brysco turn big friend. I'm on live video. Yeah.
under your pum cheek? But relocate and fuck on the beach. We a fuck from morning. Your pussy bless so me chose some offering. Collect me fuck.
Fuck, you man say a pussy bless on morning. So me chose some after. Oh Jesus, peace. Alright.
We a fuck from morning. Your pussy bless so me chose some offering. Collect me fucking at the yard and the gardening. Yeah. Fucking at the tree and broke off it. Hey, mama spread your leg like chapalin. Pretty. Got your pussy like farming. Global.
Yeah, what did you say name? Saka. How do you say?
Hey, mama spread your leg like chapalin. Pretty. Let me dig.
Saka, roots, tonic wine. You don't know what time you drink that. Go on.
Got your pussy like farming, global, warming, nature calling. Suck out my finger, remove my gathering. Picture me and you under the Sycamore tree. We are F-U-C-K-I-N-G.
Suck off my finger, remove my gathering. And they say rich, and they say that.
Bitches a make a keys, a cookie, ice cream. You are S-U-C-K-I-N-G. Miss Grippy, come here and grip me, please. Grip me.
Please. Oh, you mean, man? Let me script. Yeah, wait, Miss Grippy them there. Miss Grippy them, I go love the one there, you know. The real Miss Grippy, not the fake Miss Grippy, isn't it?
Please, stamp, clap the beat, clap, chest, clap the beat. This uptown Philly, pretty lady. Say she want pop pill, get lady. So she search the G like a Siri. Me say mama where your name? She a tell me say.
Yeah, I think it's gonna catch on because it's so simple and like, you know, catchy. You see what I say? Yeah, but
Nikki, gimme Nikki, please. Gimme Nikki, please. Gimme Nikki, please. Gimme Nikki.
I think you should have more energy in the delivery though. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't gonna capture you. Good song, but I think you should have some more energy in it. Guys, go club and fat. You see me the energy. Yeah.
Gimme Nikki, please. Gimme Nikki, please. Gimme Nikki, please.
But it's a fun song. Bring back the fun in dance, I get it.
Gimme Nikki, please.
Brysco, bad artist, about time I forward back Brysco. You know what time because of that I get about time I forward back, man.
Yo, mommy.
Oh, I go on so now.
Them fi know say. When
2 me I get in that one. Oh, good.
girl there with foot, she a flow beer. I don't know anything now.
Yeah.
Yo, Kingston. Anywhere we go, in our world,
Yeah.
a new girl I forget fling down.
Yeah, that's facts.
Russian give me one practicals, Body big, she phenomenal.
Yeah.
Inna the ramping shop, she a audition.
Yeah.
She no fire like what up on the arsenal. Flag.
That's facts. Yeah, man, on a shot.
Inna me party ram. Inna me white tape force and me nauticals. I kill a life when I travel if he 40 cal.
Yeah.
Me brick a shave in a Versace bag.
Easy no man, yeah man, that one up man. I like the energy on this one. Come on.
Me make it rain, palm be a bad feelings and biddies just like them boys on a new
Yeah man, I give you a pan be a bad feelings and feelings. Like, yes.
city, sippy codeine, pop pills, stay lady. Me killer from Philly, send a switchy for me blicky. Big food drop, run a sprinter for me. No chop, that's a cap in a your lyric. But bitch,
Ja, man, so now cap. See if you do the chopping, see if you ring the chopping. Nah, listen.
a minute at the parking lot, me a ram it and dig it.
Alright, yeah man, Nikki Gimmi and Brad Thickaz. Alright, okay. Yeah man, I like that one. It's a very fun song. Know the ladies gonna love that for sure. You see me, I say. Well, one thing, gang, I think say Russian was actually gonna give him voice that song. I feel like I pressure and receive from and pressure and the backlash and receive from social media make give dog authorization. One thing about that one. One thing about that one. Do you think the dog did actually give dog a run through? Everybody I say yo, they want it and you see me? I feel like it's because of that backlash. But yo, good song. Shout out to Brysco. Did this thing, man. Fun song. This gonna definitely be one of the most played songs on the. Yeah, because it's fun. I know. Not a kid song, but I can hear all the kids. I can hear the kids singing this song. It's very catchy. It's definitely made for like remind me of one of them like ring game song. You see me? I say that's why I feel like it's gonna be catchy. You see me? I say appeal to the youths, man. Thing. Well, yeah, man, gang. I don't know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco is back with another reaction. You see me? I say go ahead, gang. Join the Discord. Link in the description is fixed. You see me? Send me videos, all them good things there. You see me? I say, yeah, man, we back on the grind and the grind and stop. You see me? We going hard, gang. Yeah, man, get me to, bro. I'm trying to get 10K by January, bro. You feel me? We almost right there 4K. I'm trying to get 10K by January. That's my birthday month. You see me? We know we can do it. So make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You see me? Comment, share the video, all that good stuff, gang. We can do it, man. You see me? I say, let's run it up. If we don't get to 10K, we can get pretty close. I know we can get at least 8K by my birthday. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So help your boy out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Become part of the gang, become part of the family. You see me? I say, we lit over here. The grind now stop, gang. You see me? I say, I don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco, you're not hitting and smashing up bang. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.